walk over to our Dyson studio while you're shopping for the set of 3 instant charge battery rechargers. Remember, you get every one after the first at 50% off. We have got the Dyson Ball Animal Upright Vacuum with 6 tools. Now, this is really important because this is something that's going to conclude this hour that you can't find anywhere and will not be able to find anywhere until spring. It has a new attachment. It has a new beater brush that actually increases the suction of the cyclonic system built into the Dyson. And of course, Crystal Candy, who's with us, is going to start with me over here real quick so we can show you what this includes. Now, I'm going to tell you that this is a vacuum that is going to replace any vacuum you have today with a 5-year warranty from Dyson, and it is the Animal Upright Vacuum where you get tools you would not get elsewhere.
Correct.
And in a minute, we're really going to get into this.
This is the star of the show down here.
This is the star. This is new. Nobody has this but us.
Very robust, all new, cleaner head to give you better pickup power. No other vacuum on the market has this right now. So we'll go over the tools real quick, and then I'm going to show you why you want this one in particular. You're getting the mattress tool. You're also getting the stair tool. I actually used this tool on my stairs this week because now that I have stairs, those of you with carpeted stairs, I feel your pain. It's hard to clean. These right here are these counter-rotating brushes in our Tangle-free turbine tool. I'm gonna show you how this works so that never again are you gonna have to cut the hair out of your pet brushes at home. This is a soft dusting brush you're getting, as well as a combo tool and the stiff bristle brush. All told, the tools, not including the Tangle-free, is well over $100. But let's talk about what makes this different, because what you're getting today really truly is a sneak peek at the technology that isn't even gonna be out on the market until the spring. So with the Dyson, it's all about suction, isn't it? And you wanna have the strongest suction.
This is gonna blow your mind when you see this.
This is a brand new demonstration, and I know Bill hasn't seen it yet, but this really does illustrate why this has the strongest suction at the cleaner head, not just of Dyson, but of any vacuum out on the market tested by Dyson. So here on the floor, this is 8 inches above. All I'm gonna do is turn the vacuum on. I've got pet hair down here because I really want you to see the strength that this brand new brush bar has. As soon as I plug it in, you're gonna see it. Look at that. And then from the side, you can see how it picks all of that pet hair up in a matter of seconds. So Bill, when you see that, think about what that is going to do for your carpets, for all those other areas. If it can pick pet hair 8 inches off the ground without even touching it, this is some powerful
You know what happens when you vacuum? When you vacuum, because you're rolling over the carpet, I'll let you start to do your demo. The dirt will sink down through the carpet into the padding, and what happens is that the fibers of the carpet start to break down because the sand particles and the dirt particles almost act like an emery board or nail file, grinding the carpet fiber. That's why if your carpet is wearing out too soon, it could be that you're not cleaning your carpet well. It doesn't mean that you're a dirty person, it means that your vacuum's not working.
It means you don't have
When you see this thing, vacuum your house with your old vacuum and then do it with the Dyson and you'll see what we're talking about.
And this really shows you what twice the suction at the cleaner head means. I just want you to notice I'm starting with an empty bin. So this is a rug. Maybe this looks like your rug at home. But when we talk about strong suction, which is what we want to have in all of our vacuums, we're talking about getting at the dirt and the pet hair that you can't see, that's below the surface, that you didn't even know was there and you don't want it there. As I take this off of the vacuum with just a touch, I'm gonna bring it over here to my mat and dump it out so that you can see what you can now pull out of your carpet that you didn't even see. I mean, look at this carpet. This looks clean, but there was pet hair, there's sand. This is what it's all about when we talk about our Dyson vacuums. And not just Dyson. When you talk about good, better, best in the range, this is our strongest suction in the range when we're talking about that cleaner head. Remember, this is brand new, redesigned.
Okay, here's the thing. We will even guarantee this delivered by Christmas Eve for 99 cents. Now, understand this. It's on 5 flexible payments for $73.99. By the way, that means that it's free shipping, and we'll still get it there by Christmas Eve for 99 cents. Somebody's paying for that. That's us. Okay, and remember that it's a Dyson. We want to hear from you. If you own a Dyson, this is the newest technology from Dyson. It's not out in the marketplace yet. You cannot buy the Dyson Ball Upright Vacuum with the 6 tools that we're showing you. And when it does come out, it'll be $500 and it will not include all the tools. Those are extras that we're including, am I right?
Right, so
okay.
not just are you getting a sneak peek and a discount and additional tools, you're the first to have the most powerful.
And the beater bar is basically closer to the carpet fibers than ever before.
And if you look at it too, you probably noticed it earlier, the motor is appearing a lot more substantial. I mean, this is a powerful cleaner head. There is nothing better, in my opinion, when it comes to carpet. And our engineers have figured out how to seal more suction in. So this is what it's gonna do for your carpet. So if you've been like me already, it's the Christmas tree needles, it's the dirt that's being trapped in. When you put this to work on your carpet, not to mention it's gonna pick up every last piece of dirt that you can see, every last Christmas tree needle that falls off. But it's also gonna pick up that dirt below the surface, that fine dust. We want you to put us to the test. You're gonna find almost like the silt-like dust that's in your carpet. Then I go over here too, and this is a thicker pile carpet. I've got cereal flakes, and look at the way that I can grab them, even right up close to the ottoman. So the thing that's great about vacuuming with a Dyson ball is that it totally turns on a dime, and you're not struggling anymore because it really does roll across the floor as easy as it is to roll a ball across the floor. If you think about that, it makes a lot of sense, doesn't it?
You do not ever have to replace vacuum bags. You will not ever want another vacuum once you have a Dyson. I own 2 Dysons, and I've got to tell you something. When I see this canister start to fill with fine particles of dust and dirt and debris and hair and just stuff, I think to myself, you know what? And I've got hard floor surfaces with some carpeted areas. People who have carpeting, and if that's you and you have carpet at home, I want you to vacuum with your current vacuum before you use your Dyson. You're not gonna believe what this thing picks up. And that's because of the technology. And the architects and the engineers at Dyson have worked constantly, year after year, to improve perfection, which is very difficult to do. When you read, well, you can see there's already reviews on this, which means people have already pre-ordered this.
We've only had one airing.
One presentation that's already got reviews. You can't find it elsewhere, and we'll get it to you by Christmas Eve. So if you know your husband or your wife, whoever does a cleaning at home, has said, I want a new vacuum, I'm gonna go buy a new vacuum, and you're like, no, maybe you'll get one for the holidays. And then you went out shopping and you're like, I'm not buying one for the holidays. This is only $369.95 for the most current Dyson Animal Ball that exists. It includes new technology you cannot find elsewhere, and you won't till spring. When you do see it in the spring, look, it's not gonna come with this. And remember, you're gonna get not only the crevice tool and the stair tool, you're also going to receive the stiff bristle brush, the mattress tool. All of it's gonna be included with a 5-year warranty. I'm so crazy about this.
This is a really great opportunity to get that sneak peek of that brand new technology. And we'll talk about carpet in just a minute, because I'm telling you, I put this to work on my carpet upstairs. I love working for Dyson, for 6 years, but I was so excited at what it pulled out of my carpet.
And am I right? You don't have to change attachments to go to hard surfaces.
No.
You just turn off the brush.
Just a press of the
button. That's all you do.
So yeah, right up here by the power button, there is a brush bar button. You just press that, and then you can see now, as I'm on the floor, I've got a suction cup-like seal to the floor. And I do this fast sometimes, but I want you to see, even if I do it slow, do you see the precise cleaning path? That's the suction at work. And if I go slow, just so you can really see the way that this pulls, look at the suction of this. So Bill, when we're talking about the strongest suction of the cleaner head, that means that even before the vacuum touches the dirt, it's pulling it in. If you remember what happened with that pet hair, 8 inches off the ground, it's pulling it in. I can get in and around my furniture. Don't ever get your broom and your dustpan out again. You don't have to, because you can get every single crumb off of your floor. And when you're on a hard floor surface, just like with carpet, but I feel like even a little easier, it really does glide with that ball technology, just rolling across and picking up every last crumb effortlessly. This is the floor that I want to walk barefoot on. When I get up in the morning to get that cup of coffee. I don't want to be stepping on coffee grounds.
No, coffee grounds, sugar from baking. We're going to do this demonstration in a moment again, but I just want to ask if you've got a dog or a cat at home, or if you've got parakeets or birds where there are bird seed all over around their cage, you are going to love this because it's going to pick up the smallest particles of dust. And remember, the Dyson upright vacuum comes complete with all of these tools. You're going to receive not only the Tangle-free turbine brush, but you're going to get the crevice tool, you're going to get the lint brush, the mattress tool, everything extra, and that's like over $100 worth of tools that we're including for $369.95. Okay, now this is the Tangle-free turbine tool we're going to demonstrate.
Yes.
Free shipping for this vacuum by Christmas Eve for 99 cents extra. You'll get it there no matter where you live, excluding P.O. boxes. But now, I know that this is a breakthrough, attachment, am I right?
By the way, by itself, this is a $70 attachment.
Just for the one attachment.
The only turbine that doesn't tangle. Take a look at it now, but take a look at it after I vacuum up these long strands of hair. So this would be a nightmare, wouldn't it, for your turbine tool? But watch how fast this works. So not only am I vacuuming up all of this hair, it's picking it up fast. And the true beauty of this tool is, yeah, it gets right in there. But also, notice the turbine. There it is. See, there is nothing wrapped around that. So those of you who have long-haired pets, dads with teenage daughters, you know, you're talking about the fact that never again will you have to take apart a tool and cut it with scissors to get that yucky hair.
Well, I had a long-haired cat at one time, but she didn't have hair that long. Okay, we have got to do this hair demonstration again. The most powerful vacuum with the most increased suction of any Dyson animal. By the way, if you are a woman or a guy that, you know, has problems with your back and it's difficult for you to push a heavy vacuum, the ball technology relies on the movement of your wrist and your hand to navigate it. You don't have to shift your whole body weight to get it to go north, east, south, and west when you're vacuuming. You get all the attachments to do the shutters, to do the computer keyboard, to do the ceiling fan, to do the molding of your house, to do the upholstery, and everything's on board. Now, Crystal's gonna demonstrate this, which is a new demonstration. It's a new, you know, demo that she put together just to show you just how simple it is to not only vacuum, but the power behind this.
Yeah,
watch this.
Take complete
oh my
credit
gosh,
for this,
it's amazing to me.
Listen, this is what it's gonna show you. When we talk about 8 inches off the ground, the strongest suction at the cleaner head, this brand new brush bar technology. Watch as I turn it on, what it's gonna do. And then even off to the side over here, look at the way this is actually gonna pull that pet hair right in and vacuum it out. That is 8 inches off the ground. So like we said before, when you're talking about that suction, when you're talking about applying it to your carpets, to your hard surfaces, what that can do 8 inches off the ground, think about what that's gonna do for your carpet, which is maybe a couple inches thick.
And all the attachments are gonna be readily available for you to grab and to use, whether you wanna even take it outside to do, let's say, the carpeting of your car. And the attachments are great for the mattress, wonderful for the draperies, for doing the ceiling fans, for getting around the molding and the risers on the stairway. Remember that we're gonna ship this to you if you're looking for a great present for the family. Maybe, you know what, kids? Maybe it's your mom and dad. You're like, they haven't bought a vacuum since 1960 and it's time they got a new one. We'll ship this for you to arrive before you arrive by car, by plane if you're going to see them. So if you're like, what am I gonna get from mom and dad? It'll only cost you $73.99 a month on a flex payment. We'll charge you 99 cents for guaranteed delivery by Christmas Eve. Now, if you wanted to go free shipping and arrive anytime between Christmas and New Year's, you know, no problem. We'll do that and it's still free shipping. So this is an amazing opportunity if you're looking for that powerhouse present for the family and you don't want to spend a fortune. You can't buy it elsewhere. This is not available at retail and won't be till the spring. And when it does, all the tools, including the $70 turbine brush, the air turbine brush, $70 for that one tool alone will not be included in the value that's offered then. So that's why we're recommending that if you're thinking about a new vacuum for you, great gift for yourself too. If you did all the shopping, choose this for yourself. Vacuum after you vacuum with your old vacuum, and you'll see what it picks up.
And what does it pick up? It picks up even things that you can't see. We're talking about a brand new redesigned cleaner head. No one else has used this yet on the marketplace. We're boasting twice the suction at the cleaner head. So what does that mean? With an empty bin, as I turn on the vacuum, I'm just gonna take a couple passes because I tell you what, love low pile carpet. It really can hide all the dirt, all the dust. Oh my goodness, when I use this vacuum this week on my low pile carpet in my upstairs, all the dust I was able to pull out of that was quite satisfying. So when you pull this over here, I want you to see, this is what your current vacuum could be leaving behind right now. But when we're talking about, not just in our Dyson range, this is what you can pull out because you're getting that suction power, that boosted power now with a better brush bar, with better technology to make your home cleaner. When it comes to vacuuming, I know sometimes we get a little bogged down in the technology at Dyson because we like to boast about our technology because we believe that it's better and we know it's gonna work for you. But what it's all about is for you, the pickup power, the suction that you have to make your job that much easier.
And by the way, incidentally, you do get a 30-foot cord, so if you've got like only a few outlets in your home, you're gonna love that. I'm gonna hold this up and show you. This is what everybody's talking about. This is the new beater brush attachment that gets down deeper into the carpet than anything that Dyson has ever created in history, and you're getting it with the Dyson Ball Animal Upright Vacuum we're offering today. This will be $500 for this vacuum come the spring. This will not include all of the attachments. I cannot guarantee you that another retailer will ship it to you at free shipping. I don't know anybody that's gonna get this to you or to whatever family member you want to have it for 99 cents by Christmas Eve. We'll do that for you, excluding P.O. boxes. So if you're thinking, you know what, I'm buying this for me. I'm sick of the carpet problems I've got. I'm sick of the vacuum that I've got. It does not do the job. I want like the be-all, see-all, hear-all vacuum. This is it. It's the Dyson Animal, and it's exclusive to us from us and HSN. By Christmas Eve for 99 cents additionally. That means basically we'll get it there for 99 cents to any address in the continental United States. And that's, of course, without P.O. boxes. So if you're stressing out, don't stress. We'll get it there for you. And remember, too, that you're going to receive all of those extra great tools. You're going to get the combination crevice tool, the stair tool, the Tangle-free turbine tool valued at $70, the carbon fiber soft dusting brush, the stiff bristle brush, the mattress tool. It takes one person less than 10 minutes to put it together in any configuration you want, and a 30-foot cord to boot with a 5-year warranty from Dyson. And I had to call them once because, like a fool, I forgot, you know, how to do something on the vacuum. I felt like such an idiot. And they were right there for me.
Yeah, the phone number's right here. Look, the phone number's right here on the top of the vacuum, so you don't have to like go into your filing cabinet and remember, like, did I save the warranty information? Yeah, it's right there. Right on the top. Customer service located just outside of Chicago, so it's nice. They have your vacuum in there and they can walk you through it. That's a free service for life for any Dyson customer. I've called them myself. I didn't tell them I was a Dyson expert on HSN, but there was something that I couldn't figure out how to do, and so they walked me right through it.
If you have to disassemble, because oftentimes with vacuums, it's hard to disassemble if you get something stuck in there. It's easy to open, isn't it?
Yeah, actually, this brush bar, 2 clicks, and you can actually access the full brush bar assembly.
And open it out.
No getting that quarter out anymore. So when you're on carpet, you're really gonna notice that when that brush bar is on, especially now, this brush bar is even more effective than the original. This is the only place you can get the new brush bar technology in a Dyson Upright to give you that better pickup around your furniture, on those pine needles, on all that dirt that was just trapped in. My kids, for the Christmas break, we have the class guinea pig. So guess what we've been vacuuming up every single day? All of that bedding, because they like to take the guinea pig out and play with them, and it's all over the floor. Take that vacuum out, in a matter of seconds you can clean it up. You know, Crystal, I don't know how many presentations are scheduled for the rest of the day till midnight. This is it. But right now, this is it? Yeah. Okay, with everyone shopping, I have got to give you a little heads up. There are 850 people currently
currently in the ordering process, both online at hsn.com. Some of those people are using their mobile device, like their smartphone or their tablets. You could be ordering, you know, by shop by remote. Many of you are on the phone talking to sales representatives. Let me tell you what, there are 1,800 left at this special price, and you can't find the Dyson Animal Ball in this configuration with the new suction power anywhere else that Dysons are sold in the world, not just in America. And that's good only until spring, at which point they'll be released. And I will tell you right now, when it goes up at retail for $500, it's not gonna include all the extra gadgets and all the extra cleaning tools. Now, how simple is it to convert it into the benefits of a canister vacuum?
So to be able to really get that extra reach, because by the way, with the hose and the wand combined, you have 15 feet of reach. So all you do when it's in that upright position, you'll notice that the top is red. We do that because that means action at Dyson. You just pull up, that releases the hose. If you want to, which I'm gonna do for the turbine, you can push this red button and you